I'm going to show you how you can create your own YouTube channel and start making money. So before we get into the technical stuff, there are some things that you are supposed to plan first. So number one, you have to think about the type of content that you'll be making videos on your channel. That's the most important thing, because you cannot just make videos of random things. You have to look for a specific type of content that you'll be posting on your channel. And then the channel name should also be in line with the type of content that you'll be posting on your channel. For example, my channel is Wax Tech because I post technical stuff. So by merely looking at the name Wax Tech, you can actually figure out that this channel is something to do with technology. That's one of the most important things that you should put in mind. So on equipment, all you need is a good camera and editing software. But if you're on a very tight budget like me when I started, you can just use a smartphone. We all have smartphones with cameras that will be enough for you to start. So now let's go into the details on how to create a YouTube channel. So I'll assume that everyone here is an email address. So if you don't have an email address and you don't know how to create one, so there's a link there on the description that will lead you to the video that will show you how you can create a new Gmail account. So just go and watch that video and you learn on how to create a new Gmail account. So you go to your browser and you type in YouTube, or you can just click on where it says YouTube on the bookmarks. And then you go here where it says YouTube, you click so that we can go into the YouTube website. And now we are in YouTube, but we are not logged in. So you go up there on the top right corner where it says sign in. And you click on sign in. And then here we enter our email. So my email that I'm going to use is please subscribe. And then next, and then from there you enter the password of that email. And then you say next. And for now, you can just say not now. You can do all the other settings later on. Now I just want to show you how to create a YouTube channel, so we'll skip that. And then now we are signed in. And again, you go to the top right corner and you click there. And you click on create a channel. And then here you write the channel name if you want to change from your email address. And then you can upload a picture as a profile picture for your channel. You can upload from your computer. So let me just upload this one. And then here you click on done to upload. So the profile picture has been uploaded, and then you click on create channel. And then now our channel has been created. Now it's just a matter of changing some settings and doing some customization. So you go where it says customize channel to change a few settings. So click on continue. And then go to basic info and click on basic info so that you can just put some information. So here you put the description of what you'll be doing on your YouTube channel. So here, let's just write, I just subscribed. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel as well. So you can put a description here that will be matching with what you'll be doing on your channel. And then you go down there and click where it says email to enter the email address. You can put an email address here. This is the email address that you can that can be used by anyone that will be wanting to contact you, maybe for business, and that will help you to make more money. All right. And then you go and click on publish to save those settings, and then you go to branding, and then here you can change the banner that will show on top of your channel. So you just click on where it says upload, and then you can click on any picture that you'll have pre-designed, but with this one it needs certain resolution. So if you see it says the image must be at least 1024 x 570, so you have to get a picture that will be in line with that resolution. Okay, and then from there let's put on a watermark that will appear on the bottom right of all the videos. So you just upload any picture. So let's just click on the subscribe so that there will be a subscribe button on all of your videos, and then you click on done. And from there now let's click on publish to save this changes that we've made. So all the changes have been set. And then from here, let's go now to settings. Let's go to settings. So here, the currency, depending with where you are from, I'm from South Africa. So I'm going to change this to South African rands. And then go to where it says channel and then your country of residence. I'm going to change that to South Africa because that is where I'm from. So you can just check, you can just change to where. Okay, and then here you put the keywords that will define your channel. So let's just put tech. You can put anything depending with the type of content that you'll be posting on your channel. And then after you're done, you just put a comma. You can put as many text as you want, as long as the number of letters are not more than 500. And then from here we go to advanced settings. And then we just do some changes. So this depends with your preference. So for the subscribe count, you can just untick so that the number of your subscribers will not be displayed, especially when you're still growing. So these are the features that you'll be eligible for. So this one has been enabled. So there are some that you have to enable yourself. So let's just go and click on that down arrow, that's pointing downwards. And here we have to verify our phone number so that we can upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes and live streams as well. So click on verify phone number. And then from there now you just put in your phone number and then you select your country. So I'll put my number and then once you say get code, the code will be sent to your phone number. And then from there now you will have to enter that code that you will have received. And then you click on submit. And as you can see that the phone number has been verified. So that feature has been enabled. So you can also enable all the other features. You just click on that arrow that will be pointing downwards, and then you enable all those, depending obviously with your preferences. So there are some features that you can only get once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Alright, and then now let's click on save to save. And let's go to upload defaults. So the title and the description, we leave it as it is because it is different from video to video. And then on visibility, you change to public because you want all our videos to be public. And then text, you leave that because it's different. Text will be different from video to video. And then all this you can just change to your preferences. Okay, and then now we can save those settings. Okay, let's save. So our channel is done now. So this is our channel. So now our channel has been created. Let's just check our information. Click on about. So this is what your viewers will be seeing. This is the description and the details. This is where your email address will be. So this is the email address that we entered earlier on. And then if you click on videos there, that's where all the videos that we'll have uploaded will be. Okay, then if you want to upload the video, just go up there and then you click on upload video. And then from there now you can just select a file. You click on select file, or you can just drag and drop the video that you want to upload here. Just drag and drop, or you can say select file and then you go to that folder that you will have saved that video in. So you just click here on the video and then it will be uploaded. And then after uploading videos, you can also check the analytics. Just go and click on analytics just to see how your videos will be performing. Your number of views, the watch time, and the number of subscribers will also be displayed here. And you can also see the reach, the impressions, and all the other analytics will be viewed on this page. And then you can also have playlists. You can also create playlists for your videos depending obviously with the types of videos that should be created. So you just go there and say create playlist, and then you put the name of the playlist, and then from there you select on public, because all the playlists are better, they will perform better if they are public. And then the dashboard will be a summary of everything that will be on your channel. That is what the dashboard is for. And then monetization, this is where you monetize. So as you can see that you have to get at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And then from there now you just click on monetization, and then you start earning money through ads. So this is it, guys. This is how to create a YouTube channel. So if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future videos.